Hello everyone and welcome back to Best Reviews. Today we're diving into the future with the top 5 best smart home gadgets you can't afford to miss this year. But before we delve into this tech pack journey, make sure to subscribe to our channel and hit that like button to stay updated on the latest and greatest in the world of smart home innovation. Let's transform your living space into a hub of convenience and efficiency. You won't want to miss out on these game changers. Starting at number 5, we have the PencLab 3-in-1 portable air conditioner. This intelligent system is a game changer, seamlessly transitioning between cooling and heating functions, ensuring your indoor temperature is always just right, whether it's the frosty winter or the scorching summer. Its compact design and portability make it a versatile companion for any space, from bedrooms to outdoor activities. With easy installation and wide-angle air delivery, PencLab optimizes your comfort, offering an unparalleled level of convenience in managing your home's climate. Moving on to number 4, we introduce the Click and Grow Indoor Herb Garden Kit. This smart garden brings the joy of fresh homegrown herbs right into your kitchen. The Smart Garden 3 is an indoor herb garden that simplifies the growing process, allowing you to harvest within weeks. The ease of use and compatibility with any living space make it a perfect addition to your home, providing you with a continuous supply of fresh, vitamin-rich herbs. Now let's explore number 3, the MuaRot Dust Mite Vacuum Robot. This smart home gadget is a game changer in hygiene. With 3 working modes, including UV sterilization, it efficiently removes mites, dust, and skin flakes from fabrics. The built-in smart chip enables automatic cleaning with the creative smart path planning function, ensuring a clean living space for your family. Its multi-layer precision filtration system guarantees a thorough and deep cleaning, setting a new standard for home cleanliness. Securing the second spot is the Revolution R270 high-speed touchscreen toaster. This 2-slice smart toaster is a culinary delight. Featuring a customizable home menu with 34 preset bread type algorithms, it caters to a variety of toasting needs, including gluten-free options. The Instaglow heating system ensures fast and consistent toasting, while the sleek stainless steel design adds a touch of luxury to your kitchen. With customizable toasting options and a range of modes, this toaster is a true kitchen companion. Finally, claiming the number 1 spot is the Puresky waste composter. Transform your kitchen waste into compost effortlessly with this innovative machine. Not only does it handle organic waste efficiently, but it also ensures the resulting compost meets rigorous waste discharge standards. With a high-capacity waste processor and a space-saving square design, Puresky seamlessly integrates into kitchens of all sizes. Safety is paramount, and Puresky guarantees it with comprehensive safety protections, including thermal protection and no-load protection. The heat-resistant plastic handle ensures safe operation, making kitchen waste management hassle-free and environmentally friendly.